If you don't understand these words, you cannot really work in the iGaming affiliate industry. Hello, Gladiator. Are you starting on the affiliate marketing industry in the iGaming vertical? And suddenly everyone talks about CPA, Geo, Postback, Funnel, ROAS, and you don't understand this? In this video, you're going to learn what the heck is all about this, because this is a glossary. But before we continue, I want to tell you the rules. No TV, no TikTok, no Instagram. Be here. Be present. Pay attention, please. This information, it costs money. And right now, it's for free. Only your attention. And as it's already a religion here, grab a pen, notebook, take notes. I know you think, oh, later on I will check if I have some doubt. No, write it because it's faster. Then you just take your handbook, oh, CPA, this means. So, welcome to the class 5, I think it's 5 of the iGaming Affiliate Manager Academy. I hope you enjoy Gladiator. Keep sharp. So to understand this video, this is going to be a glossary of different words. So my opinion is that you should take notes every time, okay? So let's go with all this glossary. What is traffic? Well, first of all, we have a full class about this, but very fastly, traffic means visitors. That's it. People clicking your ads, visiting your website, or landing on your page offer, or landing on your offer. Traffic can be Google, can be Facebook, can be your website, can be any of these. So basically, that is traffic. A campaign. A campaign is the structure that you create to promote an offer. This includes ads, targeting, landing pages, and obviously the offer. That is basically what a campaign means. And let's go with the third actually, funnel. What is a funnel? The funnel is one of the most important terminologies. The funnel is the user, the customer journey. From the first click till the moment that tracata, they buy your product or offer or service or however you want to call it. For example, ad, landing page, offer, conversion. It's basically what the funnel is. What is conversion? A conversion is the action that generates money, honey. This is the event that the advertiser wants that the user complete. Examples, registrations, deposit, purchases. Well, app installs, debatable, form submissions. So, well, basically that can be conversions, and that is conversions. Now let's talk about other terminology, cost models. With this, we're going to talk about how affiliates get paid, and there are several cost models in affiliate marketing. Basically, the cost model is in what part you're going to buy, let's say, CPM, and then in the other part you're going to get money via CPA. So the CPM spend should be lower than the money from the CPA. So then there's the ROAS, profitability. Learn this. What is CPC? Well, this is simple. Cost per click. Every time that someone click, you get charged or you charge to somebody. CPC. What is CPM? Cost per mile. You paid per every 1,000 impressions, or you get paid per every 1,000 impressions. Every time that the advertisement was loaded 1,000 times. As simple as that. What is revenue share? It's basically that instead of getting a fixed amount paid by bringing a new customer, you are going to get a percentage of the revenue that that customer make in that service or product. That's revenue share. What is Geo in affiliate marketing? It's another term that you're going to hear constantly in iGaming and in affiliate marketing. Geo means simply geographical targeting. Brazil, Germany, Mexico, Argentina, That's basically what does it mean, where you're going to target those landing pages, ads, or whatever. What is tracking? And now we go to the technical part. Affiliate marketing runs on tracking. That, by the way, we have a full video talking about tracking, so if you want to go and see, please watch. Tracking basically tells you where the click came from, which ad generates the lead, or which user converts. And again, if you want to learn more, we have the other video, but basically that is a tracker tracking. What is Click ID? A Click ID is a unique identifier assigned to every click of a user. When the user clicks, the system generates a Click ID and assigned to that person. And that ID travels through the full funnel till we understand when this click become a customer. That's basically, we also have another video if you want to check it out. What is a postback? A postback is a server-to-server message that reports from the operator back through your tracker or traffic source. Basically, a postback, it's a small code, a small robot that says, yeah, bro, that Click ID, become a customer. And that's it, that's a postback. We have another full video about this, so if you want to learn the full thing, click here. What is a pixel? A pixel is basically a script that is going to be embedded on the front end of the product or of the operator. Pixels are commonly on platforms like Google, TikTok, and Meta. And basically that's a pixel. It's a code that goes into the front end part. We will talk soon about that. What is ROAS? ROAS basically is return of ad spend. This means I spent 1,000 on ads, how much money is getting back instantly, like with CPA deals. The difference between the ROI and the ROAS is that the ROI is the final number after taxes, after expense, after everything. The ROAS is only on the level of ads. So that's it for today, Gladiator. Oof, many terminologies. Well, basically, this is a glossary that you are going to use a lot in your affiliate marketing manager career. So if you like the video, please comment, like, do everything so the algorithm can recommend to other gladiators of the world, and we can become the best community of people that actually do stuff and think big. Keep sharp, Gladiator, and see you on the next video.